Your outdoor kitchen cabinets will arrive on one or more pallets depending on your order size. Each cabinet is shipped on its own small pallet for support, while the entire order is stacked on a main shipping pallet. The cabinets will be strapped together and will have additional shrink wrap further securing the items. NewAge shipments can be very heavy. We recommend having 2 able-bodied individuals present to assist you with your delivery. Carefully cut away the exterior shrink wrap and shipping straps and carry the units to your unpackaging area. Use an appliance or furniture dolly to more easily transport your cabinets. Remove the plastic strapping, cardboard edge protectors and carton, end caps, and foam bag from each cabinet. Take a look to ensure your cabinets are free from damage and you've received all ordered parts. For any damaged or missing items, contact NewAge Products customer service at 1-877-306-8930. Ensure you've made adequate space for the cabinet location and cleared any obstacles from your path. Lay protective packaging material on the ground to protect the cabinet finish while you're installing. With 2 or more people, carry your outdoor kitchen cabinets into the space where they will be installed. Use an appliance or furniture dolly to further assist in moving the cabinets if required. You'll soon have all the extra storage space you need for an organized grill area with your NewAge outdoor kitchen.